So if you want to quickly sort a list of data values that are out of order, first thing you do is put them in a list. You create a list with a capital letter and setting it equal to bracket, and then you enter your list in there. Here I have my 30 data values from the problem. Then you hit enter, and literally on the next line, you type out sort and a parenthesis. Then you enter the name of your list, in this case A, and it will automatically sort it for you. If you have too many data values that don't display, you hit the hyperlink here, and that's just going to show all your data values. Then from that list, you can even name the sorted list as a new list. You can say B is equal to sort A, and that will call B the sorted list of A. It says the same values, but it's just sorted. So now we can perform calculations like median, literally type the word median, mean, literally type the word mean. And there's many other functions you can do here. So that's pretty cool.